Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. It's a supermoon night, too. Forgive yourself. The supreme act of forgiveness is when you can forgive yourself for all the wounds you've created in your own life. Forgiveness is an act of self-love. When you forgive yourself, self-acceptance begins and self-love grows. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 21, NASDAQ down 18, S&P's off 2, gold contract down $4.50, trading at $1,219 an ounce. Silver down 49 cents, $16.89 an ounce. Platinum off $10, $9.32 an ounce. Copper up a penny at $2.51 a pound. Light sweet crude up 29 cents, trading at $43.70 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note down 26, 126.17. 30-year bond off a full point, 4 ticks, 154.01. King dollar up 995 ticks at 100.045. The euro is trading at $1.07, and the yen is at 108.44. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. The world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay. September 9th is your benchmark, folks. That's where we gapped down from. We did 221 million shares. The high of that day is $217.03. We've been trying to break that high now for the past 4 days. We got over it on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I believe. Yeah, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and today. Each day, it couldn't hold that price. That is where all the sellers are inside the S&P. You know, we'll see whether it's going to try it again tomorrow. Bottom line, right now, you get a failure in price, failure in volume on the dailies and on the weeklies. NASDAQ composite. What do we have with the composite? Excuse me, folks. Composite, same type of setup, different day, same downdraft, though. Bottom line, the composite's having a tough time at the 52.74 area. The high in the composite is 53.42. Same type of setup. Dow Industrials at highs. Dow broke out, way over their highs, actually. We're at 18,868, where the breakout area is 18,622. We'll see whether they get back inside it. I do expect we are going to, but bottom line, when you go higher, you can go higher. Russell 2000. Russell 2000 broke its high today. We're at 1297. Now, this took a year and a half to do. Pretty impressive. The last high was June of 2015. That was 1295.99. The Russell went from, in 1 week, from 1164 to 1306. So bottom line, the Russell's over its high also. That means that, guess what? That means the Russell can also go higher. If we take a look at the IWM right now is trading at 129.15. That's over the high also. You know, we'll see whether it hangs over the high. Because on the daily, the way the IWM is set up on the daily, folks, if we get a gap down tomorrow morning, let's say the IWM is closed at 129.15. The IWM opens at like 127.72. That is going to be a beautiful island top, and that'll basically ring the bell. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold today got down. I'm going to put the continuous contract up. Gold got down to its June breakout area. That is, we got down to $1,211. That area is those shoes right there. Is that on the continuous contract? It's actually $11.99. You know, we'll see whether gold can get some juice. We did 331,000 contracts. We closed at 1219.70. It only had to close above 1218.70 to get that bounce going. That's what it did. So it looks to me like gold's going to start making its way back up to 1249. Silver. What we have with the silver market? Silver came down hard also. traded to $16.62. If we take a look at the continuous contract in silver, we hit 1662, and that same area, that breakout area, is 1624. So silver has to get back inside. Silver has more work to do. Silver has to get back inside the $17.17. The notes. So the notes and the bonds, folks, they made, they're still down pretty good, but they made a pretty good recovery. The notes got down to $125.30. We closed out at 126.18. You did the 2.2 million contracts. Bottom line is that we'll see whether, this can get a bounce going. But my take is that you're going to see, that we actually did see reversals inside the gold market today and the bond market. We'll see that whether that can continue coming into tonight and tomorrow morning. The 30-year bond got down to 152.24. We're at 154.03, and bottom line, we'll see whether that can make it up into the 156.22. King dollar screaming at highs. So on the contract we're trading, King dollar went to 100.240. We go take a look at the continuous contract. What you're going to see is that we've been here since March of 2015. The top of this consolidation is 100,660, I think. Yeah, 100,600. So 100.600. Right now, we're at 100.030. Now, I suspect it's going to make it up and touch it. It hasn't been able to make it up and over that level. I don't expect we're going to see it this time either. Now, the reason I don't expect we're going to see it is this. The amount of energy, normally when you're taking out highs or you're taking out lows, folks, what you do is that you get right under the high first and you build some cause. If you're taking out a low, you get right down near the low and you build some cause, and then has a better chance of taking it out. Because we came from the middle of the consolidation, we just came from 95 last week, there's a huge amount of energy that was used to get up to this high. So your probability is bigger that, we're going to hit the high, could spike it somewhat, but then you're not going to make it. So we'll see. That is all going to get laid out. There's a lot of dynamics taking place, no doubt, between the currencies and the bond market, and of course, the S&Ps. You stay right there. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials finished up 21. NASDAQ was down 18. S&P's off 1. We're going to be right back.